What's good everyone and welcome back to the channel. DJ Maphorisa is once again at the center of online discussion after making a bold statement on X. This time the Amapiano superstar shared evidence showing that he has paid out royalties to artists with the total amount reportedly reaching around 8 million rands. The post quickly made waves, especially in an industry where payment disputes and royalty issues have been a long-standing concern. For a while now, artists and producers have been going back and forth online about who gets paid, who doesn't, and whether the system is fair. So, seeing such a large figure publicly attached to royalty payments immediately raised eyebrows. In his post, DJ Maphorisa appeared to show records of multiple payments, suggesting that several artists have benefited financially from the success of the music they helped create. While specific names and breakdowns weren't fully detailed, the message behind the post was loud and clear. Revenue generated from music is being distributed and not in small amounts. Many supporters viewed this as a strong statement and even praised Maphorisa for pulling back the curtain on a topic that's often kept private. Some believe this kind of transparency could help educate upcoming artists about how royalties work and what's possible when music travels far beyond local borders. At the same time, the post also sparked debate. Some questioned the timing of the reveal, while others felt the royalty matters should be handled quietly rather than played out on social media. There were also voices asking whether all artists involved were compensated equally, or if the shared proof only reflected certain projects. Regardless of differing opinions, one thing is certain: an 8 million rand royalty payout highlights just how powerful the Amapiano wave has become. It also puts renewed focus on the importance of contracts, ownership, and understanding the business side of music, not just the creative process. DJ Maphorisa has never been one to stay silent, and this post continues his pattern of directly addressing industry conversations head on. Whether this was meant to set the record straight or simply show what's happening behind the scenes, it has definitely reignited discussions around accountability in the music business. Now, the conversation is in the public's hands. Is this a step forward for transparency or just another moment that fuels industry debate? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more entertainment news and updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.